Miss Susan Opley here can help out. Because I'm sure you have many of this information about yung complaints ng OFWs, especially going to the Middle East, about extortion activities. Could you share a few with us before I wrap up? Oh.
Sir, actually, maski yung ano lang, yung arbor, pag may nakikita sa mga hand carry na pagkain, minsan pati yun na-arbor eh. So, ibig sabihin, yung may low hanggang high. At kahit sa outside ng airport, yung isang nagreklamo sa amin, jaywalking daw siya, pinara siya ng pulis. Pero nagmamadali siya kasi malilate siya sa flight, hila-hila niya yung maleta niya. Mamaya yung pulis may tinatawag na sasakyan na unmarked. Doon ka sumakay. Tapos 1,000 ang bayad. Ibig sabihin, they're all forms of extortion.
Precisely my point eh. Precisely my point. So siguro once and for all, the NBI should look at this. At saka si Mr. Honrado naman, General Manager ka.